Most AI animations fail because the character changes every frame. Today, I will show you how to animate a character from one image and build a consistent storyboard completely free. Welcome to AI Smart Wealth. Here on this channel, we explore creative AI tools and projects. Let's get started with our tutorial. Step 1. Creating base character image with Whisk. Open Whisk and upload your reference image. Prompt section. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Lock the seeds so the character appearance remains consistent. Click Generate to create your base image. Step 2. Converting the character into a storyboard. Here, I'll show you 3 different methods you can use. Method 1. Whisk. Upload your base image. Enter the following prompt. Click Generate to create the storyboard. Enter upscale prompt. If you want the full Whisk tutorial, it's included at the end of this video. You can also find the link in the description below. Method 2. Nano Banana Pro via Gemini. Open Gemini and select Nano Banana Pro. Upload your base image. Enter the following prompt. Click Generate to create the storyboard. Download. Upload files. Enter upscale prompt. Repeat for each shot individually. Method 3. Nano Banana Pro via LM Arena.ai. From the top menu, click Battle, Direct Chat. Select Gemini 3 Pro. Upload your base image. Enter the following prompt. Download and then upload it. Enter upscale prompt. Repeat for each shot individually. Now it's your turn. Between Whisk, Nano Banana Pro via Gemini, lmarena.ai, which one would you choose to create your storyboard? Let us know in the comments. Step 3. Converting storyboard to video or animation. Method 1. Open GROK. From the side panel, select Imagine. Upload your storyboard image. Enter your desired prompt for the animation. Upscale video. And download. Method 2. Open when video. Select video and upload your desired file. Upload from device. In the Settings section, under Resolution, select 720 or 1080. Under Duration, choose one of 5, 10, or 15 seconds. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and enable notifications for more AI tutorials.